Did you buy a Fire TV Select? The brand new Firestick has launched Fire TV 4K Select, and we're going to talk about jailbreaking it today. So were you stupid enough to get one? First thing, we got a few options if you want to jailbreak it and get access to all the content that you want on your device. Firstly, what you should have done was hit follow and follow this channel before buying one, because I warned you all not to get one. Because the Fire TV 4K Select is probably one of the worst devices Amazon have launched. It's extremely laggy on user interfaces of certain apps. It doesn't work very well. It's almost as bad as the one they tried to release a while ago, and I warned you all about then as well. The reason? They're just flogging off old stuff, and they've put their new operating system on it. So what I need you all to do, I can look up here, is make sure you hit that follow button, follow this channel. We will keep you up to date with all what you can do on your devices. If you were bad enough to order a Fire TV 4K Select and you want to jailbreak it, you've got a couple of options, okay? First option I would recommend is contact Amazon. Ask for a refund. Get your money back. Get your money back, because jailbreaking this device is not going to be the way forward. Jailbreaking that device because, and hear me out, it's on the wrong operating system, it's on Linux, and the apps you want to put on there are not available. There's a reason that people don't jailbreak Apple TV, because they don't take the correct apps that you want. It's not about being able to jailbreak it. It's about, even if you can jailbreak it, the apps you want aren't ready for that device. They are still selling, Amazon are still selling cubes, Fire TV 4Ks, which they now have Fire TV 4K Plus, the Fire TV 4K Max. Get yourself a NVIDIA Shield. Get yourself a cube. Sell what you've got or give it back, get your money back. Tell them you don't want it. If they ask the reason, say it's rubbish. And get yourself a 4K stick, a normal one, a Gen 2 Fire Stick, a NVIDIA Shield, or a cube. And then, if you follow me on my channel, you will find the video on how to set that device up properly. It'll be the main video at the top. It's my featured video currently, the latest way to set up a Fire Stick and jailbreak. And on these actual Fire Sticks and devices, you don't even need to jailbreak. It's just sideloading those apps that you want on your device. So the Fire TV 4K Select, you're going to send back. Or if you can't send it back, you're going to pick it up and you're going to throw it in the bin. Simple as that. Get yourself a device which works. You shouldn't have bought one in the first place, unless, if you don't want to jailbreak it, use it. But even then, it was pointless buying, because you can't get as many apps as you could have done on the other device, which are official apps. Just madness. Okay, brilliant. Real quick video. Hope you all have a good weekend. Come follow me on all my socials to stay up to date. Follow me here, and we'll keep you safe and keep you streaming.